Hello, good morning students. I am Assistant Professor Suryakant Adate from Sri Mudai Devi Shikshan Samstha's Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College Devur. Today's presentation is for BA Part 1st, Compulsory English. Today is our first lecture and presentation topic is Developing Vocabulary. Language is the crux of human communication. It is made of sign and symbols. Words are the smallest meaningful units of grammar. It aims to focus some ways of developing vocabulary. This unit, that is, developing vocabulary, tries to give some clues that would be useful in developing vocabulary. If you wish to develop your vocabulary, you must develop reference skills, as well as you should refer to a good dictionary which makes you know about the pronunciation, class, meanings, and usage of that word. A dictionary is the most important means for developing vocabulary. A word can be mastered only when it is used in speech or writing in its proper context. This unit divides into four types. First, vocabulary and word processes. Second, vocabulary and words in context, that is synonym and antonyms. Third, problem words. And fourth, phrasal words. In the next slide, we see vocabulary and word formation processes. It is easy to understand a word both grammatically and semantically. In English, new words are formed by using the word formation processes like affixation. The example of affixation is rewrite and writer. Compounding examples teapot and sunrise. Conversion example pen verb work noun. Clipping, fridge and lab, blending, Brexit, brunch, reduplication, TikTok, Nitwit, and acronymy, UNO and NASA. Affixation, compounding, and conversion are the major word formation processes. Affixation is a very common and creative word formation process in English. It involves forming new words by adding an affix or affixes to the base of the word. It includes process like prefixation, infixation, and suffixation. In prefixation, a prefix is attached in the beginning of a base of a word. In suffixation, by adding one or more suffixes in the end of a base. Prefixes and suffixes are very commonly used in English. Prefixes. All the prefixes in English are derivational. They are used to derive new words. Prefixes are divided into two types. First, class changing, and second, class maintaining prefixes. First, class changing prefixes. A few prefixes that change the class of the root to which they are affixed are called as class changing prefixes. For example, word friend is a noun. When the prefix be is affixed to it, verb befriend is derived. A in asleep, B in become, in cage, D in deforest, dis in disbar, non in non-stick are class changing prefixes. Almost all the other prefixes are class maintaining. Then the second type of prefixes is class maintaining prefixes. All the prefixes except that one mentioned above are class maintaining. They are termed so because their affixation or addition to the roof of a word, for example, happy, adjective, unhappy, adjective, cycle, noun, bicycle noun, and generate verb, degenerate verb. Prefix D is both class changing and class maintaining. The prefixes are grouped under 8 different titles such as first, negative prefixes, unhappy, non-violence, incorrect, amoral. Second, reservative or privative prefixes, undo, decode, disconnect. Third, pejorative prefixes, misunderstand, malpractice, pseudoscience. Fourth, prefixes of degree or size, arch enemy, super fast, outsmart, surcharge, subcommittee, overconfidence, underuse, hypertension, mini computer. Then fifth, prefixes of attitude, co-author, counterattack, antisocial, pro democracy. Sixth prefix type is locative prefixes, superstructure, subway, interschool, trans and Atlantic. Seventh, prefix of time and order, foretail, pre-lunch, post lunch, ex minister, remake, and last, number prefixes, uniform, monorail, bicycle, dialogue, triangle, multinational, polysyllable. With this, we conclude here. Thank you very much.